In the heart of East Africa, hidden deep in the wilderness of Lake Eyasi, lives one of the last remaining hunter-gatherer communities on Earth, the Hadzabe, also known as the Hadza. For over 5,000 years, the Hadzabe have lived in the bush, not in cities, not in villages, but in the wild, where nature is their only home. They are Africa's true indigenous bushmen, a fearless tribe whose survival depends entirely on the land. The Hadzabe don't farm. They don't raise animals. They rely on hunting wild animals with handmade bows and poisoned arrows. They gather fruits, roots, and tubers, and they harvest wild honey high up in trees. Every day is a new journey. Every hunt, a matter of survival. Their homes are simple shelters made from grass and branches. They don't stay long in one place. Always moving with the seasons, tracking food, water, and shelter, they live with the land, not on it. Never harming more than they need. The Hadzabe speak a rare language, filled with clicking sounds and tones, a language not linked to any other known on Earth. It is as ancient and unique as their way of life. Despite facing threats from farming, land invasions, and climate change, the Hadzabe have held on to their traditions, their hunting techniques, their music and dance, their belief in sharing everything, even a freshly hunted animal, with the entire family. They may seem primitive to some, but the truth is, the Hadzabe represent something we've lost, a deep connection to nature, to freedom, to the earth. Let us not lose them too.
Hamana ya ota shukuji. Hamako ota seme koku kota kota chiketa ulube kota no wake osepa kokots iye ena koko koa tete. Kaya so chiashokoje iso eya iso zana koko iyo seme. Ulube be o achane be ube akaye. Oe mamo eko. Oe mamo chese.
Ai mamia sali una. Mas mimi chokai.
Oe ma, oe ko thulu. Oe ma, na ko tingi ko puna. Oe gwa ke ma, ingi so thua bacteria.
Con ai treo mà.
Con ai cheu oe gwa ke ma.
Là
Oe ma. Ta ko ba to. Ni na ko te. Ah.
Abba ko la mapakubwa kana.
Na kuchichiki yako.
Kese pakubwa kana.
Kese kwake hapo de kokte kwake so ina ka tse aka tobota la 10. Iso kese kwake. Toi. Ah, chese. Kedo ah. Toi.
Ziasi kawashi uji. Mchale mengi ya. Khasa mabua magija khe. Ano kuyana kwa mbua
gija akwa mumi ena khobo bami.
kumbe
kwa khobota
wa mo.
Tete tha ese ato iko ko akunu nya ko
Bi chine saya tumaga ya. Ai ko aba ko kono. Tumiga. Abe ko aptaka abe. Apta
Coco. Hadi! Chikino!
Eh, sa.
Baik, kok benar. Ya, tadi. Sama kok. Ate ko te ko ana ku chi ate ko ma kata te